Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. You joined me down at the storage yard. I've just been getting the caravan ready to go away. We're off in a few weeks' time. But before we do that, we need to address the elephant in the room, and that is our mattress. It's 7 years old now, and to be honest, it's had its day. It's compressed where both of us lie and left a big lump in the middle, which makes it really uncomfortable. Now, we did test out the Jonic mattress topper, and that did give us another couple of years in my opinion, but it's now time to move on to a new mattress. Now, we went to the show and we looked at quite a few mattress companies because there's a plethora of them, but the one that we were gravitating to was Jonic because we liked this topper so much we thought we'd have a mattress from them as well. Now, Emma did a brief explanation on our video that we did for the NEC. I'll leave a link to it there. But we wanted to know a bit more, so we tried out the mattresses that were on offer, and then we made up our mind. I bet you can't guess which one it is. And we've decided that we'd put a deposit down at the show, which we have. So we're going to go over to Jonic in a moment, and we're going to have a look at some cross sections of the mattresses and how they're made, and also pick up our new one. So let's head over to Jonic now. So you join me in sunny Morecambe, and we're at Jonic. And we're going to be chatting to the lovely Emma, who was on our video at the NEC. She's going to be explaining more about the actual offers in range of mattresses and also the inside contents, which I'm really looking forward to. So let's go inside and see Emma.
Hello, so my name's Emma and I'm from Jonic, the company that my mum and dad started almost 20 years ago now. They were both caravanners. We used to go on caravan trips all the time as kids. And whilst we were away, we could never find the right mattresses or the right bedding for the long bunk beds that were in our old caravan. So what better way than my mum to just go make it herself and start the business. And now we're in almost our 20th year of business. So here at Jonic, we offer 6 different types of mattresses for all your caravans, motorhomes and campervans, all the different shapes, sizes, everything. So here we start with our synthetic fillings mattress. So we offer 2 different sprung counts for the mattresses. We have a 1000 pocket sprung and a 2000 pocket sprung. 1000 pocket sprung in a big high street store where you've got loads and loads of beds, you're coming in around a medium firmness. And then the 2000 is more firm, more supportive. They would label it as a firm mattress. So this one comes with the synthetic fillings, but we also offer memory foam options and natural fillings. So this is our memory foam fillings option. So it has the same pocket sprung base as our synthetics option, but it has an additional layer of 2 inches of memory foam on top of it. And as I say, that's available in the 1000 pocket sprung and the 2000, up to your preference. So this one is our lovely premium mattress. It's pocket sprung with natural fillings on the top. It's very cushy, very comfortable. You feel like you're sleeping on a cloud is the usual reference, but it's great for temperature regulation as well, and also hygiene because it's natural fillings. So it's organic wool, silk, cotton and cashmere, which means nothing's being trapped in anything that's similar to plastic or fibre. It's all breathable, leaving the mattress, and it's so at Jonic, we're all about transparency. We won't give you the marketing spiel. We're here to sell good quality traditional mattresses, which means we'll show you everything that's inside them. So when I reference our synthetics fillings mattresses, that is these 2 here, our synthetics fillings. So this is our 1000 pocket sprung count, and this is our 2000 pocket sprung count. So you can see that the springs of the 1000 pocket sprung are wider, broader, which means it doesn't feel as firm. But if you're somebody who prefers a lot of support, the 2000 with the narrower springs are going to give you just that. So next we move on to our memory foam mattresses, which you can see here and here. This again is the 1000 pocket sprung or the 2000 pocket sprung option, but we have an additional layer of memory foam just here. And memory foam is like Marmite. You're going to love it or you hate it. But if you've tried memory foam before and you love it, this is a great option to have the pocket sprung base for the additional support. And then we move on to our lovely natural fillings mattresses. So as you can see here, again, the 1000 pocket sprung count and the 2000 pocket sprung count. But we have these lovely, lovely, squishy, just cushy layers of fibres, which give you ultimate support, but also just sweet relief, feel like a cloud. And that is these additional layers here.
Well, it's here. We've got it. And we're going to be taking it away in a couple of days and testing it out. And we're really looking forward to it. So we'll see you very soon.
Hold on. There's still the bill to pay.
There's always something, isn't there? Well, folks, the Caravan mattress is in situ. We picked it up from the factory at Jonic on the day we filmed, and we were really pleased with it. It's a really good, comfortable night's sleep, and it is a difference between our old one, even when our old one was new, if that makes sense. Juliet's said it's a lot cooler to sleep on, and also I just find it really comfortable. It doesn't make my back and my hips ache when I get up in the morning, which the old one did. Now, we chose the Premier 1000 sprung pocket mattress above the 2000. We found the 2000 a little bit too firm for our liking, but this one just sits right for us. It fits perfectly to the bed, and Jonic make them in all shapes and sizes, and they will make custom mattresses if you provide them with the dimensions and the layout of it. Now, we will be testing this mattress throughout the year and for the rest of the time we own the Caravan, because that's the way it is. And we'll be letting you know at the end of the year how we've got on with it, because we've got the whole season to come. I'd like to thank Emma and her mum Nikki for allowing us to film at Jonic, and also Piper's Heights for allowing us to make quite a considerable amount of videos this weekend. Thank you very much. I hope you'll join us again real soon. But I'm going to get some shut-eye now, so night-night for now.